Okay, welcome back. The last problem here is problem 11. It says these following two figures have the same area. So we have a trapezoid and a triangle. So what does the height of the trapezoid have to be so that both figures have the same area? So we need to start with two different formulas. Remember, these are different shapes. They need different formulas. Use your reference materials to determine the formula that you would need, okay? So this is for a triangle. I'm looking to determine the height of that trapezoid right there, okay? So my triangle, base and height. So I'm looking for these right here that meet in a perpendicular corner here. So 8 and 5 for my base and height. So 1/2, not 8 and 5, 8 and 15. 15 times 8. So 15 times 8 is 120. 1/2 of 120. That means my area is going to be 60 meters squared. Okay, that is my magic number here. My question is, what does this height have to be so that my area is also 60? Okay, so I'm going to go down here to my formula and say 60. There we go. We start with this. Equals 1/2 of my base times my height. The base, my two bases added together times my height. So 8 plus 12 times my height, right? That's my base 1 and base 2 here. Okay, well, base 1 and base 2, add them together, that's 20, right? So 1/2 of 20 times my height. Well, what's 1/2 of 20? That's 10. So 10 times my height gives me 60. I'm sorry, I'm out of room here. 10 times what gives me 60? Divide by 10, divide by 10. My height is going to be 6 meters. Okay, and we go back and check that in there. 8 plus 12 is 20. 1/2 of 20 is 10 times 6 is 60. So my height here would be 6 meters. So did you get that correct? Remember, it wasn't asking me for the area. The actual answer that you are looking for is 6 meters. All right, so you're going to turn your paper into your teacher with the 11 problems. Now, you may not have actually worked 11. You may have only worked maybe 7 or so. No matter what you did, make sure they're numbered with the actual problems that you did. And I want you to go through and circle all the ones that you had correct. And then we're going to go through and practice and determine what your mistakes were on the ones that you missed. Okay? Thank you.